Hi, I'm going to log in and do a video of my new account in SoundCloud, so that way I can show you how to use it a little bit and how to upload a song. So I'm going to do that right now. So I'm going to log in. I think, what's my password already? I forgot. Got it. Okay, so first thing you do when you come in here is look up on the top right on this bell. You might have some notifications here. It'll show in orange so you can see what's going on. I can see that you're following me now, and I logged into my other account, which is Bruno the Barber, and I'm following my new account, which is Bruno A. Ritchie. So anyway, so here's what you do. First, how do you log out of here? Well, these dots here on the right, press them, and then there's a sign out, so you can log out. So that's good to know. How do you get a song in here now? Well, what I normally do first is I go to my profile and just look. Really don't have much going on here yet. There's nothing uploaded yet. I can upload from here and press upload now, or I can press the upload right here. I can also add a picture. I'm going to add one now. And then there's a picture. You can, whatever you want to do, save it. And now you have a picture on your profile. So that's pretty easy to do if you have a picture of yourself. So what I'm going to do here, if you look on the right, also in your profile, you can see who's following you, and you can who you're following and everything like that. And if you want to send this to your friends, you can send them the link up here, or you can share your profile like this. Hey, you can say I'm on SoundCloud, my users, here's my link if you want. So let's go right into adding a song. I'm going to upload here, and then you can choose files, more than one at a time if you want, but I'm just going to do one. I'm going to do ditto, and I don't want anyone else to see this but whoever I give the link to. So you can actually do private right here, or public. So I'm going to upload private, and then I'll tell you about the playlist later, but let's just get the file up here. So let's say you did your song, you added lyrics to it, and maybe you have a new file that you want to just send up to SoundCloud. So you just hit this upload and then find the file. I'm trying to remember where I put them in downloads, I think. So here's ditto. Now if I want to pick more than one, just as a tip, you can hold the control down on the keyboard and then click 2, 3, 4 files at once. And then you can hit this and all 4 will upload at once. So I'm just going to do one because I don't want to overcomplicate things. So just this one. So now it's going to upload. You can see it going across here that it's uploading now. So what I do while it's uploading is two things. First, I'm going to make sure it's private, so it's marked here. But on this metadata and the permissions, you don't have to really do the metadata, but I always tend to put the artist name in here, just in that one artist block. That way people know, you know, that I wrote the song if they take it. Also, permissions, you want to click this top left link. It says enable direct downloads. If you don't click this, then no one can download the file from the SoundCloud. You can give them the link and they can listen, but there's no option to download it. So if you want them to download it, have the option, you have to turn that on. So that's basic information, metadata, and permissions. Pretty simple, and the file is basically done. It's already uploaded. If I want to add an image to the you know, to the song, I can do that too. So I don't know. I mean, I have a lot of images somewhere, but you can get your own images if you want. I'm just put this one up there for now. If you want to describe the song more, you can put a description. You can say Tony and I are working on this song together. This is, I added vocals or something like that. Whatever you want to say, you can say it. But it's really simple. Just pick the file. It will upload, and you can add this data and permissions and things like that if you want. So I'm going to hit save, and it's private now. You can see it's marked. And there's the link that it gives you right away. You can copy this or send it to your friends, and they'll be able to hear the song online. Now, see how it says go to your track? You can press this also. It'll bring you to the song, and then you can listen back to the song, and you're done. So let's say now you log in to the system. Now, anyone who looks for me on here is not going to see this song unless I give them the link. If you notice, see it says share under the song that we're looking at. You can always grab the link from here and then send it to whoever you want. Okay. You can also go to the more and then choose download. Right. So if I upload something and you need it, I give you the link. You go there, you download it, and then you can add your track and then upload your product back to your account, and then send me the link and we can just do that all day, right? If you want to do that way. So let's go down here and add the other songs really quick while I'm at it. So I'm going to choose the files to upload, and I want your 2 songs plus maybe 1 month and 2 days. These 3 are chosen with the control key on my keyboard, just 1, 2, and 3. Then I let go of the control, hit open. So now it's uploading these 3 at once. It has the same as before, but we have three songs at once. So all you have to do is just go in and then say, your name. And I like to put the name in there, so why not? And then the permissions, put download. And then you can hit save right there. So this one is already done. I'll do the same here on the other song, right? Permissions, download, and just press save. Same thing with the last one. Still working on it. This one on top. Put your name and then download. Okay, so now I have 4 songs on my profile. So if I log in now and I go to my name, you can see it's still processing, so it's not quite done. As it's uploading, you can do all these little things with the name and download options. So I'm just waiting for that last one. So it looks like everything is done. When you log in next time, just go to your profile and you'll see all your songs right here. Okay? This one I happened to add an image, these ones I didn't. But from here even, you can go to more and then do edit track. You can change the information on it. You can add a picture. You can say that you don't want it no longer downloadable. You can change the artist. You can do whatever you want. Make it public instead of private so everyone can listen to it and see it when they visit your profile. Leaving it private for now though. Then you hit save again and you can update each song by going to the edit within your profile. Now here's the good thing. If you go to tracks right here, underneath your profile, you'll notice your tracks, but you can't really do much with them other than manually change the options. If you do tracks from here though, underneath your name, and go to tracks this way, you'll see them where they have a checkbox next to them. So from here, if they're all checkbox, you can change the artwork and all of them at once, or the permissions as well, make them all downloadable or not. But what I really like is that you can go over here to add to playlist, and then you can call this a private playlist or public, and you can say songs of Janet and Tony, for example, like that, and just save it. Now what's really cool about this, you'll see it says go to playlist right here. So now I'm on your playlist. So let's go to the profile and so what happens here is if I hit play on this, all 4 of the songs are going to play one after another. So what we can do is we can put a collection together, and then anytime we are on our cell phone, we can go to the playlist and just hit play and listen to our songs when we're in the car, the whole thing. It'll go through all of them. You won't have to touch your phone and change songs, nothing like that. So that's good to know as well. So let's just go back to the profile from scratch. So I land here, I've got all 4 of my private songs, then I have the playlist button as well, and I can hit play and all 4 of our songs will play. If you need the link, if you forget the link to the playlist, on the right of the playlist it says share, and that'll grab the link. Well, I'm sorry, not to the right of the playlist. You have to actually come under the playlist and hit share. This share on top shares your profile. This one under the playlist shares the playlist. So now I can send you this and say, let's say in Messenger, I can say, here's a list of our songs. And you hit play, and then it's going to come onto this web page. And then from here, you can click on the individual songs. Maybe you want to download the 4th song, Ditto. Click on Ditto, right? So now you're hearing just that song. So I'm not sure if you can download or not from like one song. But if I click it again, I think it might open in the full screen. And then you can come here and then do download or something like that. I'm trying to learn how to use it still. I'm not that good. Oh, here we go. To the right of the songs, when you're looking at the playlist, do you see how it has the private links here? When you mouse over that, let's say Ditto here, there's a more function that will appear like this. So I can press that and then download it right from the playlist. So this is kind of cool. I learn something new every day on this. So anyway, I wanted to explain this kind of with you. I don't use the playlist really, and I don't, but to upload and all of that stuff, then cool. I'm gonna get out of here and just log out. So the little dots and then sign out and you're done. I hope that helps. I'm gonna switch. So now I'm big again. Okay, bye.